Here's a quick acupressure healing meditation for clearing your mind. It's good for reducing racing thoughts, for heaviness or congestion in your head, headaches, and it prevents senior moments, forgetfulness. So practice this in your daily life, throughout the day, just to feel better. Take just 1 minute for each of the steps that I'm going to go over with you, okay? And you could just do 1 or 2 of the steps, just for helping yourself feel that much better. In other words, you don't have to memorize this stuff. You're familiar with this, you're familiar with this, you're familiar with this, and as you do that with me, go ahead, do that with me, because it kind of ingrains what you can do. And just, the formula, which is, okay, if I touch and hold the acupressure points, 1, 2, or 3 of them, or whatever, and then just sit quietly with my spine straight, I'm doing a mini meditation that can really clear my mind and enhance my life. And that's what it's all about. So do it with me. We're going to start with our fingertips and place them in the temples, which are right on the side of your head. And apply the pressure, not a lot, not harsh, just a little bit of pressure, and then rotate as you breathe. Good. You can call this the temple rotations. Okay? Next, swing your thumbs out inward, actually, to touch where the bridge of your nose meets your eye socket, upper eye socket. Okay? And now inhale and come up, lifting your chest up, breathing in, and exhale as you relax down. Now let's make this movement subtle. And inhale as you come up. And exhale as you come down. And inhaling up. And relax as you exhale. One more time, and inhale up. Good. And let your fingertips, these 2 fingers, press gently underneath your cheekbone. It's okay. Feel for the cheekbone. Go underneath it, below it, and press up. And these points are called facial beauty. They allow energy to flow through the face. And these points, ST3, is a master facial point for not only allowing energy to flow through your face, but to enable you to look gorgeous. So not only will you obtain clarity of mind, you'll look better. And everybody wants that. Okay, so what I want you to do is just breathe. You can let your head relax down, and that actually applies the pressure. You don't need a lot of pressure here. If afterwards you see these red welts, you've done it too hard. Okay, so just light pressure here, and make it even lighter, and take deeper breaths. These are the facial beauty points, ST3. Another nice, slow, even deep breath. Good. And you could end the routine by just lightly touching here. But I like to lightly, and this is super light touch, very gently on your forehead. Now, take your fingers on the back of your head, and these are the gates of consciousness points. So, apply firm pressure underneath the base of the skull as you're squeezing inward, and pressing forward. And once you press forward, apply a little bit of pressure upward to go a little bit underneath the base of the skull. Remember, the forehead is super light, and breathing deeply. The lighter you touch here on the forehead, the more clarity of your mind, peace of mind you can have. So inhale and bring your chest up, your head up. Deep breath. Nice. And exhale. Relax your shoulders down. Relax your head down. Let yourself go. Good. Again, inhale up. Nice. Holding the breath for just another second. And exhale and relax down. Good. Bring the palms of your hands together. And it just feel like you're just coming home, especially when you let these knuckles just touch your breastbone. Kind of like the feeling like you're getting a good hug. These knuckles press the points that we know as the sea of tranquility points. It helps to balance your emotions, your mind, calms your spirit, according to traditional Chinese medicine. Breathing into your heart now. Long, slow, even, deep breaths. And you know what's natural? As you first do these, go ahead, stay with this and your breath. And let me just explain to you, as you watch this video once or twice, you're going to be watching me, but once you've watched it, you're going to be so familiar with it, you're going to be able to go deeper and deeper within. And that's the acupressure healing meditations. That's what it's all about. The more you do these routines, the deeper you'll be able to go within. And that can be a real blessing. And I hope that it's a real blessing in your life.